What's going on, YouTube? Shout out to everybody that's watching this video right now. I hope you're having a great day so far. Right now you're watching part 3 of the E39 rebuild. If you haven't seen part 1 or part 2 yet and you want to check it out, look in the description below and I'll include links to those videos. Let's recap what happened in part 2. I ended off part 2 talking to you guys about the BMW's headlights cracking when I sprayed the clear coat on them. Basically, it looks really bad, and I looked in the comments of that video and saw that you guys were suggesting to use compound instead of clear coat. So I want to give a shout out to Aaron Voss and Cali Rebuildables. You guys recommended to use the compound, and I went ahead and tried it out in this video to see if it'd work at all. So I started off with the 320 grit and ended off with the 3000 grit. So let's check out the video and see what happens. Just buffed it all up, and look at that. Finally got it to look good. Look at that. Look how clean that is. Wow. You can't tell anything happened to it. Look how clean that thing is. Nice. Nice. That's what patience and hard work gets you. Try it 3 times and do it right. Welcome back, guys. Wow. As you guys can see, the compound worked 10 times better than the clear coat did, man. Everything looks perfect. It looks like it's brand new now, so you know, I really like the results of it. Right now I'm going to show you guys a video of me transporting the parts car. The body shop has requested the parts car, so we got to move it there. I was originally planning on towing it, but I wanted to make it more fun and see if we could actually drive it there. Before I bought the parts car, I was told that there was no compression and that the engine runs like junk. So I don't know. Let's see if it'll actually start, and if it does, let's see if we could actually drive it there. So let's check it out, guys. So right now, I'm at the parts car. I'm gonna try to start it, see if it'll start. Go. Oh, wow, it turns on. Oh, it doesn't sound very good. Well, it turns on. So we won't even need to tow this car to the shop. We're just gonna drive it like it is. I know it doesn't have a front clip, but it is what it is. Let's get to it, guys. Dang, that sounds terrible. Right now we are going to drive the parts car to the shop. We don't have much time because when it gets hot, it's not gonna drive because there's apparently 2 holes in it. I'm not sure what that means, but let me go show you guys some clips of it driving there. I had to put another battery, but let's get it. Alright, you guys, so you guys just saw how we moved the parts car from shop to the actual body shop. Basically, I'm amazed that we could do that because that car runs terribly. I'm even surprised that it started. We had to move a different battery from another car onto it, and it runs very bad, but you know, it's only a parts car, so that's all that matters. Right now, I'm delivering the M5 style bumper behind me to the shop, and I'm going to show you guys an overview of how the car looks so far. So let's check it out. Now I'm in the body shop, so I'm going to show you guys, just walk around of what the car looks like right now. Let's see. You got the whole front plate right there. This thing is actually the first time I've seen it with all that dust off of it. It looks a lot better just washing off the dust that it had on there. I mean, shoot, the thing looks really nice just with the dust off, but it's my first time seeing it in the body shop. The owner was nice enough to let me walk around it. Look at that thing. Boy, that thing's gonna look so good when it's done. Yeah, I have no idea. Let's see. Look at that. That thing is crazy. That thing is nice. Alright, look at that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Thank you so much to everybody watching this video. I really appreciate the support. Part 4 will come soon. I'll have more updates with you guys about everything that's going on with the car. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up below. Subscribe if you want to stay tuned with new videos. And that's it, guys. So salute to you guys. I appreciate everybody watching these videos and sends me the support you guys do. It means so much to me and you have no idea. So peace out, guys. Hope you have a good one.